Hey, I'm Mike, your assistant here at Carter, and I'm going to show you how to use your automatic back gate. So first, there's a couple ways that you can open it. You have the button here, and there's also a hands-free option. Before we get started, you want to make sure that your car is off and unlocked. So the first way to open it is on the bottom of your key, you'll see a picture of the back gate opening. You can press and hold that button, and it'll open your back gate. You can also press and hold this button to close it. There's also a hands-free option for opening your back gate. So if you stand 2 feet or so away from the back gate and put your hand above the Subaru symbol, it'll also open your back gate. You can also close it with these buttons up here. So this button with just the back gate closing will close it. This button with the lock symbol will not only close it, but lock your whole car. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, just contact your salesperson.